On this video, we're going to look at this very chic, very modern bookcase for absolutely any room in your house. So stay tuned for the whole video.
Easy to put together. It's got these labels so you know exactly how to put it together. A lot of pieces, but it's pretty well labeled. So 2 2s, 5 5s, and on the side here, you've got your numbers 2, 2, 2, 2. And then here you've got your 5. So they're pretty much all the same size.
The bookcase can be had in different widths and heights. This one is 75 inches tall. It's 9 inches wide, and each shelf is 21.5 inches wide. If the 75 inches is too tall and you want a 5 tier instead of a 6 tier, you can always go for the 61.8 inch version. Less shelves, same look. You can also get 75 inches or 61 inches in different widths of shelves, and you're from 20 inches all the way to 35. These shelvings do have the safety bracket, so you do want to screw that into the wall so it does not fall, because it does weigh between 50 and 60 pounds without any of the books. And of course, this bookcase comes in different colors: black, white, and wooden gray. All of them will have different widths and heights, so choose the one that you enjoy most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.